and it's kind of windy day. Typhoon 3, category 3. We're just gonna walk down. Oh, there's a plane coming in right there. So yeah, I'll talk about that plane as well, but you can see it in the distance there. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, I got a really windy day, so that's Cotai Beach over there. The plane just went behind there, and yeah, it's a category 3 today. So the wind is kind of blowing around the trees, and these waves are a lot higher than usual because usually they have to come in a certain way. So I'm kind of surprised to see that today. And that's Cotai Beach right there. This is kind of the way the water usually is. It's kind of this brown, murky kind of thing. But I thought I'd kind of show, that's a hotel right there. That hotel is now a quarantine hotel. So that's a quarantine hotel at the time being, but usually that's a real nice one with nice views of the water. And then over there, there's a crane. I think they're building some tunnels that are going to connect and make it closer to get to Coloane from Taipa, from the Cotai strip. We've got these giant houses over here. So I've always thought these houses would be amazing to live in there. They're all kind of similar all the way down. I'm just gonna walk down a little bit. I also want to show you a little bit of the trail, and I'm gonna show you the name of the street too. Yeah, those are those houses right there. In a minute I'll show you the angle of the houses so you can look at them all the way down. Okay. So these are the houses all the way down. And this is the name of the street right here. Hua de Haksa Long Chao Kok. And this is the street that we just walked down. And Haksa is the beach over there. Long Chao Kok is this over here that we're gonna walk down a little bit. And there's a break wall right there. The break wall is completely engulfed by the waves. And then this trail is, goes all the way down, so I think we're gonna be able to walk into it a little bit. But I don't want to go too much into it. Oh, this water is splashing. That's a whole little trailhead right there, so people can actually go up into these mountains too. And you can also go up on that space. Maybe I'll do that real quick. We'll just run up to the top. So yeah, you got another trail up there. And if you run up here, you can see all that nice. Those houses that go all the way down that way. There's another road, a back road for them too. It's windy. Really windy day. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me today. That wind is strong. It's maps. We're going to go too far, but we'll go down a little bit. So you see all those rock formations. There we go. So we're going to keep on going all the way down. Yeah, looks real nice. There's another plane over there too. You can see a plane way in the distance there. That other plane went behind there, so that was usually the Macau airport. This could be the Zhuhai, China, or maybe Hong Kong, like, but it's, I don't think it'd be that low if it was Hong Kong, so. Hong Kong airport's not too far away though. Just down that way a little bit. Whoa! Got some big waves. And we can keep walking all the way down here if we wanted to. But my main goal today is just to give you a little taste in this kind of typhoon weather. So it's kind of cool out here though. Okay, so we're just gonna end it right here. Hope you like this one as well. Oh. Chiquinha.